You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Rocket to Bkash. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with this easy process on how to send money from Rocket to Bkash. So the first thing to do is to choose a money transfer service. Select a reliable money transfer service that supports transfer from Rocket to Bkash. Some of these services include you choosing from a service like a Rocket Remit, which offer a instant transfer to Bkash account in Bangladesh. Then from there also you can also choose a World Remit, which allows sending funds to Rocket or Bkash mobile money account. You can also use tap send, which enable transfer to Rocket mobile wallet in Bangladesh. And once that is confirmed, once you decide which transfer service to choose, then register with the choosing service, then sign up on the selected money transfer platform by providing the necessary details such as your name, your email address, and your payment information. Then after that, you have to add your transfer account. So deposit the amount you wish to send to the transfer account using available payment method, which may include bank transfer, debit or credit card, or other option provided by the service. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer. So log into your transfer account and select the option to send money. Then enter the recipient's details, including their full names and Rocket account number. Then after that, you have to specify the amount to transfer and choose Bkash as the recipient mobile wallet. Then review all transaction details for accuracy and confirm and submit the transfer request. After that, notify the recipient. Once the transfer is completed, inform the recipient to check their Bkash account. The recipient should receive an SMS notification about the incoming fund, and that's how to send money from Rocket to Bkash. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.